the night, the prince rides fast. Shadows cling, a stormy blast. Blood on his hands, vengeance in his eyes. To the dungeon of evil where darkness lies. Screams in the air, twisted and raw. Monsters lurk with razor claws. They stole his love, locked her away. But he's come for blood, they'll pay today. In the dungeon of evil, the walls drip red, while the monsters feast on the souls of the dead. He'll fight through the darkness, blade in hand. For the heart of his princess, he'll take his stand. Gates creak open with a ghostly wail. Flesh and bone, broken and pale. Demons crawl from the shadows deep. But the prince won't stop, no time for sleep. A sea of bodies, twisted and torn. Echoes of pain, and bodies still warm. But through the madness, her voice he hears. A whispered cry, cutting through his fears. In the dungeon of evil, the walls drip red, while the monsters feast on the souls of the dead. He'll fight through the darkness, blade in hand. For the heart of his princess, he'll take his stand. Blood spills, monsters scream. This is no fairy tale, no sweet dream. Steel meets flesh in the battle's roar. The prince presses on, he's craving more. At last, he finds her, chained to stone. But the monsters howl, they won't leave her alone. With one final strike, he sets her free. In the dungeon of evil, their love is the key. In the dungeon of evil.